So, sir, what are the key things juniors should always remember before starting their own lab? What are your opinion, and what are your you think you can guide us?
Look, starting your own venture is always good. Because that gives you a leverage to uh, exercise your own vision, what you have plans, what you have things in your mind. But let me warn you and let me tell you that uh, without understanding the market, without knowing the depth of the ocean, you can't jump. So don't jump the guns, don't take any decision which will ruin your future and your investments and all. Because look, when you start on your own, nobody is going to invest you. It is your money or whoever's your near dear one's money. Because every journey, every venture costs money, and today's is a very forward moving days. Because every other day the new technologies come. So I would suggest that you start planning. If you are going to start a lab 2 years before, you start planning from now onwards. The every nitty gritties, you when during even during your studies days, even when you are doing MD, when you are practicing as a SR, or after that you are practicing as a faculty or some like at any position. So if you have that in your mind, do write your own book. I mean, you make all your things in a paper कि मुझे क्या करना है, कब करना है, कैसे करना है. Be very observant. कहाँ से मशीन आती है, कहाँ से reagent आते हैं, कौन सा मशीन हमें करना है. Because look, finance is the first part which you have to be very thorough with. Then you will have to choose the proper segment, in which segment you want to go, whether you're gonna have a single lab, you're gonna have a chains of lab, you're gonna have a franchises of lab, you're gonna be doing it multi-city lab, or international projects. There are multiple things. So everything you have to decide on paper beforehand, like maybe 2 years before, everything. Because what I see, many of them fails, and I have also faced a lot of hurdle in that thing. Because we doctors are not very thorough with the finance, with the things like where the money should rotate and everything, how you will maintain the beta, how you will maintain the profit and loss. Second, the biggest challenge is getting the right kind of people. Because you will be carrying the legacy of your college, of your family and everything, and the burden of their names on your shoulders. And if by any bad people are choosing a bad people, if any reports or anything gets disrupted or brings a bad name to you or to your lab, then the entire thing gets ruined. So choosing managing the finances, choosing the right equipment and planning in prior in advance. And the foremost thing I said, that the best thing, that getting the right people is something which you need to have in advance. Second thing is that try to bring in lot of your own peers and people and friends on board who can support you. Because look, a lab is something which is not run without the support of your peers. Because there are doctors who will be referring to you, there are hospitals who will referring to you. Because there are very few patients who come as a walk-in or directly to you. So you should have everything prior noted down, and in the planning book everything in advance. Thank you.